issues also. As I came third to
ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಪಡೆದಿರೋ ಕೊಡುಗೆಗಳನ್ನೇ ದೇವ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Quick learning. Connected lives, yes, good. Connected lives.
Slowly.
Okay, so chick, chickalaka, zoom, super, zoom.
Yeah, when you have to say.
Yeah, please. Hey, just do this. Stretch up. Stand on your.
In the next after this, we will ask you a count. Let me hit him back. Get that, Papa. You have to catch this one.
That is a perfect example. Every game we played, we removed the I. Production, accounts, finance, business development, manager, engineer, senior manager, GM, VP, everyone are here. So the I factor is gone. And want factor was not that what we wanted for me. So ultimately when you don't have such desires, finally you will be left with only happiness, which was inside us, it came out. It evolved. So I am really thrilled and I am grateful to you, Sharad sir, and grateful to you, Philip sir.
Thank you, sir.
And I look forward to many more such interactions and learnings from you people, because DHI Valley truly today has set a different benchmark in all the training programs we have been doing in past so many years.